Start by taking this piece off in the top right corner. It's held in by a little small insert there. Real simple to take off. And using your non-marring plastic panel removal tool, pull up on this armrest piece, the window mechanism, and there's going to be two little small Molex plugs behind it. Just go ahead and press the tab down and pull the Molex plugs outwards. Go ahead and remove this one screw from behind the armrest piece. Luckily, this is a pretty easy car to take the door off of, little Honda HRV. Start in the bottom right corner and just pull outwards. You'll hear the clips releasing and just work your way up. The top piece is a little bit harder, but it's the same thing as just clips. If you happen to get some of these little pressure fitted clips stuck in the door, you can use them. You can use a little tool like this. There's also other panel removal tools, but this one's my favorite one to use. And then, of course, put it back in the door. Go ahead and remove one screw. I forgot what size it is. It's a Phillips, but it's also a bolt head. So I think it's 8mm maybe. Let me know if you guys know. I totally forgot what it was, but it's also just a Phillips head screw too. So pull outwards and then up, and you should be able to release it. There's a Molex plug on the back. Press the tab down and pull outwards. If you're interested, I do have the color wiring codes available for the speaker. It says a 6-inch, but I believe it's a 6.5, 6 3/4 would fit in this vehicle. I also took a cubic reading of the factory signal coming into it, and I'm going to show it here in a second. I didn't test the back doors, but I imagine they'd be kind of similar. You'll see it here in a second. This is my PAA3, and it's giving me the factory signal. And as you can tell, it's pretty flat for the most part. Nothing's really cut off, but you can see the bump, little hill right there, and it kind of levels off. But that's not the acoustic, that's the actual signal coming into it. All right, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe and thumbs up and all that. Thank you so much.